Hello everyone, I'm back with a final Panda Haul project share. I have an earring bonanza happening here. It is what I call my little lantern earrings, and it uses these square dells with rhinestones in a silver base that I got as part of the BeeBeeCraft YouTube program. Here is the number, but I'll also have it linked below. It is RB PH0001-145 NF, which won't stay in focus. And it's a mixed color thing, which I have this many left. I did find two of the blue ones, which I put in the outer bag. Anyway, they were missing a rhinestone, so I can't use them, but all the other ones are okay. And I did on the first pair use the ball stainless steel head pin, but I did switch to silver plated brass head pins after that because they were easier for me to wire wrap, and these are very sturdy, which is good, but my old hands with a little bit of arthritis were having trouble doing wire wraps with them. So the first pair is a simple loop, and I'll show them to you one by one. These are a Colorado topaz, light topaz I think color, and then the rhinestones from BeeBeeCraft. Oh, by the way, these cubes, they're all Swarovski, and these 4mm bicones will all be Swarovski. Both of those were in light Colorado topaz. I'm going to shut this light off actually. Maybe you'll be able to see better. I don't know. Why won't this focus? Anyway, it's the square dell, a cube, a square dell, and then a 4mm crystal bicone. And the first 5 or 6 pairs are on these lever backs, which are a simple lever back. And then they were in my stash, and I had gotten them at Houck actually. But I ran out of them, so after the first 5 pairs. So that's the first pair. Actually, let me just lay them all down, and the rest of them are wire wrapped. I may go back and redo those, I'm not sure. The thing is, without wire wrapping them, if you don't have that loop snug, these will turn, and I don't want that. I want them to be snug and sturdy, and these are I want to say ruby. Let me get my sheet and I'll check. Okay, these are what's called Siam red cubes with a ruby 4mm bicone, and then the red, which is very close to both of those colors in the rhinestones from BeeBeeCraft. And then I made 2 pair the next one. These are actually, I thought they were peridot, but they're actually, the cubes are called cantaloupe, and the bicones are chrysolite AB, which is a pale green AB, and then the rhinestones look like peridot to me, and I made 2 pair of those because I had enough to do that. It really doesn't like the light, does it? There we go. Anyway, there's 2 of those. And I may give one of those to my granddaughter, whose 18th birthday is in middle of August. And these actually, I'm going to put that light back on, sorry, but these are a dark purple. They're called purple velvet cubes and bicone, and I really can't tell if that's a dark purple rhinestone or black. I think it's purple, but I thought it went well with these. See, they look blue there, but they're actually a very deep purple cube. Purple velvet is the name of those. And that's the end of those with that particular lever back. And then I switched to lever backs with shells. I had some more topaz, so I used those. Now these, actually, this is a different color. I don't know if you can tell. This is Colorado topaz. These are actually called crystal copper cubes and bicones. They have a little bit more of a orangey tint to them, and also these lever backs hang down a little lower. So they're maybe, let's see, about 1/8 of an inch longer than the ones up here. So I kind of like this crystal copper color better, but it's with the topazy colored square dowels from BeeBeeCraft again. And then I have two. Now, I didn't have any sapphire cubes, but I had cubes called Crystal Blue Shade, and then I paired it with a Cobalt Blue bicone. I have two pair of those. Crystal Blue Shade. It's like a clear crystal with a little hint of blue in it. I thought it was really pretty. And then the Cobalt I thought went really well with the square dowels. So that's, and they're all Swarovski crystal, not the square dowels, but the cubes that I used. And then the last two pair I had like these turquoise blue square dowels, and this is turquoise AB times 2 bicones, and just a clear Swarovski crystal cubes for those, because I didn't have any turquoise cubes. Trying to use what's in my stash as well as, you know, what I got from BeeBeeCraft. So that is my project using the square dowels, I call them. They're like rondelles, but they're square. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 left, but 2 of them I can't use. I have 8 left, but I don't have enough. You need 4 the same for each of these earrings, so I don't have enough to do that. But I'll probably use them, you know, with regular beads. Now, like I said, you want to do wire wraps if you do something like these, a wire wrap loop, which I'm not doing a tutorial for because I've done them before, and there's tons of them out there on the web to do a wire wrapped loop. These are basic earrings, and they're just really cute, and I have sold them at craft fairs in the past, and they sell pretty well. I've also done them in a little bit larger 8mm cube, and they sell well also. Unfortunately, I wanted to do like an emerald green. I didn't have any emerald green cubes, nor did they give us a dark green in the rhinestones, so I went with the peridot. That's alright because it's summertime and August is peridot, right? Coming up soon. So I hope you enjoyed that. Now, so in summary, what I received from, let me put these up a little bit. What I received from BeeBeeCraft were that pack of square dowels, which I forget how many was in it, 50? Let's see, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, and yeah, and I have 10 left, so 50 in a pack, multicolored, not guaranteed about the colors. So you just have to sort them and see what you want to do, or use them randomly. I got this Panda Hall Elite pack of both stainless steel with a ball head pin and gold color stainless steel, there we go, ball head pins. And I also got Muffinite beads, which I used in my first necklace. Here's the number for them. I'll link all the products again down below. And this jar of 8mm dyed stabilized African turquoise, and I have 2 left, and they're fine. I can use them for something. I just have 2 left. So in summary, all the projects that I did were 10 pair of earrings here. My first project was this beautiful cross weave necklace, which I did a mini tutorial on how to do the cross weave. If you missed that, it was my first project share, second video. I'll link all my videos down below. And this was from my stash. And then these 2 pair of matching earrings with both the Muffinite and turquoise in this necklace and earrings. And then I did this necklace. These were from my stash, as were the ruby bicones and the Swarovski butterflies, but again I used a lot of the turquoise beads, rounds, and also this silver clasp was from BeeBeeCraft, but I bought it previously, and a bracelet to match that one, and a pair of earrings to match that one. So I used quite a lot. I used all but 2 of the turquoise beads, like I said, and in 2 different, several different ways. A little bit more complex necklace. It has a lot of weight to it, and then just a simple strung necklace, bracelet, and earrings, and then these 10 pair of little lantern earrings, which are adorable, and it's just something easy and fun to wear, and they're in a variety of colors so people can pick and choose. And the ruby one, and maybe even the blue with the blue shade, would be nice for holiday times and things. And if you love turquoise like I do, or if your birthstone is peridot or topaz, those colors might be for you. All right, everyone, thank you to BeeBeeCraft for letting me share their products with you for free as part of their YouTube program. If you're interested, you can contact them through their website, which will be linked down below. I think down at the bottom of the screen there's a line that says YouTube program, so you can look into that. You do have to have at least 100 subscribers, which thankfully I do. Thank you. And you have to agree to make an unboxing and at least 2 other videos for them. This is my 3rd other from the unboxing video for them, and this is my final, so that's why I'm sharing everything that I made with the products that they sent me, and some other things from my stash. So again, I hope you enjoyed, and I will talk to you again very soon with switching gears now to other jewelry making. All right, guys, thank you so much. Hugs, love, and peace.